All right, guys. Monday was a rest day, so max tonnage Tuesdays for right now. And what we're doing is training for the True Challenge. So practicing my squats today, along with some kettlebell training. So basically, all I did was type in to ChatGPT the two workouts that I'm trying to work on right now, and I'm going to see if it spits out a good workout that helps me. It gave me, let's see, it gave me four things to do. First thing just being a warm up. Then we have our first set of strength training for the squats. Then we move on to the second set of strength sets for the overhead press. And then the finisher, which is a AMRAP. So we're going to start with a warm up and go from there. And let's just see if AI gives me a decent workout. All right, let's see. That warm up is going to be the warm up has a run in it. I'm not going to do that part just because I don't have the time or space for that right now. So 10 squats, 10 kettlebell swings, 10 push-ups, 30-second plank. Oh, dang it, my kettlebell's in the carport. All right, we're already modifying this thing because I'm lazy. All right, AI workout step one complete. All right, now to the strength sets of the back squat, which is going to be 5 sets, 12 reps, only 1 minute rest. Let's get it. 130 pounds. All right, so that's it for the strength training on the back squat. 5 sets, 12 reps, a minute in between sets. Felt pretty good, honestly. Of course, there to the end, 1 minute rest was starting to feel pretty rough, but I like training that way because it felt like it was kind of pushing me, which I've been trying to do lately anyway. Besides the whole AI telling me that, I've been doing 1 minute between sets anyway. So that was 7,800 pounds moved during that whole entire session. And that took me about, I have to look back, but I'm going to say that took just 5 minutes. I mean, probably less than 5 minutes to do all those squats. So, of course, we get 6 minutes as a team, as I was looking at earlier. So, if I just take 2 of my minutes to pump out, 25 to 30 reps, then I think I'm going to be in pretty good shape. And that's kind of what I'm aiming for. So, today was more of a strength day, just conditioning. But next week, we'll go ahead and throw another, or maybe 2 weeks from now, we'll throw another test round in and actually, simulate the event. All in all, though, I'm feeling pretty good about that weight. So let's go ahead and switch over to the carport and work on kettlebell. All right, so this is where I've been struggling at. And yes, I do try to talk quieter out here in the carport because I don't want to be loud and disrespectful for my neighbors. So anyway, 45-pound kettlebell. ChatGPT is telling me to do 8 reps on each side. This is where I've been struggling, is with the kettlebell overhead at this weight. And this is only 45 pounds. Competition was either 50 or 55, something like that. So we're either going 5 or 10 pounds up on the competition. But if I just keep getting this down packed, I think we can push through the event. Honestly, I think everyone in my house is tired of me buying weights, so I'm trying to slow down a little bit. But anyway, let's get into it. We got 5 sets to do, so we'll take it nice and easy, see how it goes. All right, time to move on to the finisher. That's going to be a 12-minute AMRAP, and that is 10 goblet squats, 8 kettlebell push presses, 10 walking lunges, and a 200-meter run. I like how it throws in the exact same thing I was just doing. So with the 8 kettlebell presses, it's saying do 4 on each arm. 10, 8, 10, run. 200-meter run. That's not bad. All right, 12-minute AMRAP. All right, guys, that's it. 12-minute AMRAP over. Full workout over. Like I said, that was all made up by AI based on what I was telling it I was trying to accomplish. So as far as an AI workout, it actually was pretty good. Legs were feeling pretty tight. Already feeling a little bit sore. So yeah, it was definitely a good workout. That's it for today. AI workout 1 complete.
we're gonna try that out in some of the other event workouts we're doing and see what it pits out and try them out. So stay healthy, stay fit.